Have you been wondering why your short video is not getting as much views as you wanted? Or why you are not even getting views at all, even though your video is good and high quality? And you might be thinking that the problem is from your video. It might be the way you are uploading videos and YouTube is not sending that short video to short feed. So do not worry, I am here for you. In this video, I'm going to be telling you and showing you step by step on how you can upload shorts to go viral and blow up in this 2025 and even in 2026. So stay tuned, do not skip any part, because the last one is the juicy and interesting one that you wouldn't want to miss. Hello guys, my name is Precious, and in this video I bring to you tools, tips, strategies and ways on which you can grow your YouTube channel, blow up fast and get monetized. So if this is what you would want to hear, and if this is what you want to know and learn, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button now. So let's dive in. In this video, I'm going to be covering 6 important questions that everyone asks every day. And these questions are: number 1, where can I upload shorts? Which device should I use in uploading shorts? And the second topic is the right way to upload shorts. And the third one is the hashtag I should use while uploading shorts. And the fourth one is, should I write a description while posting shorts? And the fifth one is, if I should add tags on my shorts. And the last juicy, interesting part that you wouldn't want to mix for anything is the best, perfect and right time to upload your shorts for you to go viral and blow up in this 2025. I know you wouldn't want to miss that. So do not try to skip even for a bit. Now let us start with the number 1. Where should I upload shorts? You can upload shorts using Chrome, using YouTube Studio app or YouTube app. But the best place for you to upload your short, for it to be more visible and for YouTube to pick the short immediately and send it to the short feed, is using your mobile phone, that is YouTube app. If you want to upload shorts, you use your YouTube app to upload shorts. But in this video, we are going to be using 2 apps. Number 1 is YouTube app and the second app is YouTube Studio. Yeah, these are the 2 apps we want to be using for this video now. And these are the 2 apps you should be using whenever you want to upload shorts. The second question, which is the right way to upload shorts. So let's go. Before uploading shorts, update your YouTube app and your YouTube Studio app. Go to your Play Store and check if there is any update available. And if there is any, try as much as you can to update them. And also, try as much as you can to check it every single time before uploading your short video. Then after that, you go to your YouTube app to start uploading your video. Press the plus sign here, then select the video, preview the video, then click on done. The video will take some minutes to process. After processing, you will see some features here and you can use them if you want to, but right now we will not be using them. Just go to sound and add a viral song, because YouTube promotes shorts with viral songs more. Then click on the adjust button. You can enable the audio if you want, the original audio. You can also disable it. Then in the audio you added, you can reduce the volume or increase it. Just keep it the way you want. After that, you click on next. Then click on the pencil icon here to add your custom thumbnail, because thumbnail grabs attention and attracts more clicks. Look for an eye-catching part in your video to use as your thumbnail. If your video do not have an eye-catching part or an eye-catching moment, you can generate a 9:16 thumbnail, that is image, then add it at the end of your video so that you can use it for your thumbnail while uploading a video on YouTube. Then after that, add your title. Make sure the title is very short and eye-catching, because that is the key to go viral here on YouTube. See a strategy to help you boost your click-through rate. Always start your title with 2 to 3 strong and relevant keywords and with capital letters. For example, this video is about kids fashion. Then I will write cute kids dressing. Okay, then before writing other things which I will write, but that will be with small letters. Let's say if this video is about jollof rice, I will write delicious jollof rice. You won't stop eating. Delicious jollof rice is the first 3 keywords that people will be searching for. So once you write that first keyword at the beginning with capital letter boldly so that viewers will see it, you will see that each time a viewer search for this video or is looking for something like this, your video will also pop out. Or let's say if this video is about a phone, maybe Redmi or iPhone 16 new features, you can write Redmi 12 or iPhone 16 new hidden features depending on which phone you are making video on. And if your first 2 keywords or 3 keywords is eye-catching, viewers will definitely click to watch. Also, using an emoji at the end or at the middle of your video will help it stand out visually. Okay? Then add hashtags. Here you should only add 1 or 2 hashtags. It should not be more than 2. Hashtag short and hashtag the topic of your video. Okay, maybe let's say hashtag short and hashtag fashion, because that is what the video is all about, kids fashion. Or you can even leave it at only hashtag shorts. Okay, hashtag short is the most important hashtag you should use here. Writing excessive hashtags is not good, as YouTube might flag your video as a spam. Now when you are done writing your title, go to visibility. Always leave it at unlisted. Then hit upload. After uploading the video, go to YT Studio app to finish up the rest. When you come to YT Studio app, your video will be the first to see here. Then click on it. Most question people usually ask here is, should I write description on short, since viewers are not even reading the description? Of course, you should write description on short, because even though you think that viewers do not read your description, YouTube algorithm does. That is what helps them to know what your video is all about and where to push it to. It also helps in search engine optimization. And have you noticed that whenever viewers are searching for a video, the first thing that usually pop out there is short videos? Yes, that is because it is well and highly optimized. If you can write the description by yourself, you should write it. But if you can't, just go to ChatGPT and ask it to write you a well-optimized description, keywords, and even hashtags. Okay? Or you go to vidIQ and search your video topic here. It will also give you relevant keywords that you will use. Or you go to YouTube search bar and type your video topic. It will also give you relevant keywords. Just copy them and paste them here. And also, do not forget to write commas at the end of any keywords. I'm just using 5 to 6 hashtags here. The first hashtag you should be using here is hashtag short and hashtag viral shorts, before you can now add other hashtag that is related to your topic or to your niche. Then after that, click on more option. Then go to tags and add tag. First 2 tags you should add should be hashtag shorts and hashtag viral shorts, before adding other tags that is related to your video or to your niche. Then allow video and audio remixing. Then choose a perfect category that is related to your video. Then on this, show how many views like this video. Uncheck the box, because viewers are likely to scroll past any shot that does not have much likes. And finally, go to visibility and select public, then hit save. The last juicy part is the best time to upload shorts. The best time to upload shorts are 10 a.m. in the morning, 5 to 6 p.m. in the evening, then 2 p.m. in the afternoon, and lastly 1 a.m. at midnight. Yes, this 1 a.m. at midnight, people believe that by this time most people have gone to sleep and the competition is now very, very low. Thanks for watching and thanks for staying with me to the end of this video. If you find this video interesting and helpful, please do not forget to like the video so that YouTube will send it out to more people that need it. And do not forget to hit that subscribe button for you to get more tips, more strategies, more ideas on how you can grow your YouTube channel and get monetized really quick. Bye. See you on my next video.